Hey guys, how you guys doing today? This is Martel Willis again with HRM Construction Company. We are here to make your dreams a reality. May it be new construction, remodel, room additions, adding on, we do it all. We love for you guys to come and see the episodes that we have in place that we actually show, because we're going to teach you guys a couple things. Number one, we'll teach you how to do new construction. Number two, we'll teach you how to do fix and flips and remodels. But we're also going to go step by step about the processes of the construction world. So please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you guys can actually make sure you guys will know when I post a new episode. Please check out our pictures. Please continue to follow us. We appreciate you guys from our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Now we're going to do YouTube to give you more of what's taking place and what's going on. Again, thanks again for looking out. Have a good day. And again, HRM Construction Company, making dreams a reality. Have a wonderful day.